Friends, this video is all about how to plot accuracy and linearity range in case of assay and dissolution methods. Now, in assay dissolution method, we mostly have the sample concentration and the standard concentration same. For example, here our sample concentration is 200 ppm and the standard concentration is the same 200 ppm. Now, in dissolution test, you may have some difference in the sample and standard concentration, but just about 1, 2 or 3 ppm to adjust the concentration of the label claim, but almost you will have the sample and standard concentration the same. Now, one thing should be kept and remembered in mind that when we draw an accuracy plot, we usually do it on 3 levels. In the ICH guidelines, you may get from 80 to 120 level, but in all the institutions or all the companies, we mostly do accuracy test from 50% to 150% of the concentration range of sample, and this accuracy samples are made in triplicate. For example, for 100% you have to draw 3 samples, you have to make 3 samples. For 50% similarly you have to make 3 samples, and similarly for 150% you have to make 3 samples. Okay, now linearity, the range we decide is same as the accuracy, but minimum levels to draw the linearity range is considered as 5. So it means when we draw a linearity curve, we have to select 5 different concentration range to draw linearity plot. Okay, now the one thing we should remember in mind, for accuracy we make the 3 concentration 50%, 100 and 150% according to our sample concentration, because in accuracy we perform accuracy on samples, not on the standard, and in the linearity we plot linearity curve for standard, not on samples. So we have to select the range according to our standard concentration, and in accuracy we have to plot the range according to our sample concentration. But I have said that in assay and dissolution we have the concentration of sample and standard same, so we have nothing to worry, we can plot our levels according to sample or the standard. Now here I have taken an example for this. Suppose we have our 100% level as 200 ppm. Okay, now we have to draw the accuracy level at 3 concentration, that is 50% of this and 150% of this. Now just we have to do cross multiplication, and suppose 100% is 200 ppm, then how much ppm will be of 50%? We will cross multiply it and we will get about this 100 ppm. Similarly, for 100% we have 200 ppm, for 150% how much ppm will we have? We will do cross multiply and get this value of 300 ppm. Now these 3 concentrations can be used for accuracy test. Okay, now I have said that to plot the linearity curve we have to take 5 levels. So between these two levels we can add one more level or concentration in this. For example, 70%, 75% or 80%. You can choose any of the percent of this in between this range to make these 5 levels. So I have taken for example this 80%. Now again we have to do cross multiplication of this. 100% is 200 ppm, then 80% of this will be how much ppm? This will be 160 ppm. Similarly, for 4th level I have put this 120%. We will do cross multiplication of this and get this 250 to 40 ppm. Now these 5 ranges can be used to plot the linearity curve. So this is a very simple way how to draw the linearity and accuracy concentration level for a sample or standard concentration given. Okay, so this was all about how to draw the concentration level for accuracy and linearity. If you have any confusion or any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you for listening and watching the video.